Welcome back to Vince's Mosquito Biology 101. So the last couple of times that we've got together, we've actually talked about egg rafts. We've actually talked about mosquito larvae. Today, it's all about the pupa. Now, I think the pupa is probably the coolest part of the whole mosquito life cycle because the pupa are just about ready to emerge as adults. Now, most of you know that butterflies usually start out as a larvae, and then they go into their cocoon state, and then they become adults. Well, my mosquitoes are actually doing the same thing. It's called metamorphosis. Now, my mosquitoes are in this little cocoon state, and I know it's real difficult to see, but they look like this. Now, at this point, the mosquito pupa, for the most part, is resting, getting ready to become an adult. So they're not doing a whole lot. They are not eating like we've talked about with mosquito larvae. And as I mentioned, mosquito larvae eat 24 hours a day. But in the pupa stage, they're not eating. They're done eating. However, they do still breathe. Now, we did talk about this siphon tube. This is what allows a mosquito's larvae to breathe. Well, the pupa actually have two little siphon tubes. They're called trumpets, which is actually pretty cool. Another part of this mosquito is actually the little fins here. So if you were to walk right over a nice pool or something and you see these mosquitoes tumbling away, because we do call them tumblers, it's because of these little fins. That's what allows that mosquito larvae to tumble. So very, very cool. I think it's probably the best part of the whole life cycle of the mosquito. It's watching the mosquitoes go from egg to larvae to pupa. This is where the metamorphosis is now happening. So at this stage, they may not last very long. Water temperature plays a huge factor. They may be in this stage maybe 2-3 days, but it depends. Once again, water temperatures play that factor. The warmer the water, the faster that mosquito will emerge. So in some cases, like here in Monterey County, from egg to adult will take about 2 weeks or so. 10 days maybe. But I always tell people 2 weeks. So in the valley, it actually takes from egg to adult about 4 to 5 days. Doesn't take very long. So we're actually a little fortunate here in Monterey County with our lower temperatures, lower water temperatures and things. So we've gone through 3 different parts of the mosquito life cycle. And next week we're going to be talking about the adult mosquito. And of course, there's so much to talk about when it comes to mosquitoes. So we're going to talk a little bit about some of the mosquitoes that we have here in Monterey County. So I look forward to seeing you again. I will be back next week. So enjoy this video. I will see you next Thursday.
Whenever you're ready.
Well, welcome back to, hold on.
Come on,
I know, hey,
man.
I'm warming up, man. Now, for the most part, we've gone through 3 basic So the temperatures itself, as I mentioned, play a huge factor, which I keep screwing it up. So anyway, good thing we have Paul to edit a lot of this. I think it's a great, I don't know what to say.